How you doing? I'm Big D. Welcome to the show. Looks like a shit show. A lot of snow in central New York. Figure I'd bring you out here while I bring my puppy out. He wanted to come out, play a little bit. Oh, everybody's out. How you guys doing? Yeah. Neighbor is out walking his doggy too. Hi. How you doing?
Say hi, Steve.
Come on, big boy. Now he's scared. My puppy's scared.
All right. At least this one don't bark at him. My other dog would be barking her head off.
Harley, come here. Check him out. You're okay. See, no big deal.
That's a good boy, Steve.
Good boy.
All right, come on.
Have a good night.
You too, dude. All right, what up, boy? Come on. Oh, bud.
Got a lot of snow. It's hard to see. It's a fun night though. Love driving a car in this stuff. Pretty fun. I don't know if you could see this. How much snow? There's the mailbox. It's good times. Try to have a great rest of your day. Night, actually. God bless.